Good evening, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Figueroa, and tonight in music class, we're going to learn about the treble clef, spaces, and lines. Are you ready? Make sure you're paying attention. All right, so here you see that I drew out a treble clef and all the notes and spaces. So, to start off, these 5 lines is a staff. A staff of music is what you read the notes off of, and that's what makes music. So, there are 5 lines, just like you have 5 fingers. So each line has a note, and there's also 4 spaces. And each space represents a note, just like you have 4 spaces between your fingers. And I'll show you that in a minute. All right? So the first line is E, the second line is G, the third line is B, the fourth line is D, and the fifth line is F. Or you can also say, every good boy does fine. Good boys should do fine, right? And you can always remember that saying. And you can also use your fingers. So this is how you would use your fingers. So every good boy does fine. All right. And so now that we know what the second space means, you can learn what the treble clef is. So a treble clef tells you what kind of notes you're going to use on the staff. So you see that the treble clef curls around the G line. That's because the treble clef also is named after the G, so it's called the G clef. And there are also all kinds of clefs that you can learn about, but today we're just going to focus on the treble clef. All right, so now let's do the spaces. Remember, there are 4 spaces. The first space is F. The second space is A, the third space is C, and the fourth space is E. So that's F, A, C, E. That also means face. You can also use your hand. So that's what I was talking about with the spaces. So this will be your first space, second space, third space, fourth space. F, A, C, E. Face. All right, let's review what we did. Let's use our fingers this time. Every good boy does fine. F, A, C, E. That's it. We did it. All right, so that was the overview. So on the website tonight, you're going to watch this video first, and then you're going to follow the numbers on the website and do all the rest of the videos and activities. Have a good night. I can't wait to see you guys in person again.